Welcome to Pluralsight. I'm Ross Bagurtis. In this next module of Intro to Firewalls, I want to talk about non-TCP protocols. The goals for this module are to look at the TCP state table and ICMP messages. We're going to look at other non-TCP protocols like UDP, and we're going to take a look at the new state tables that we need in order to accommodate these non-TCP protocols. If you haven't noticed yet, I have yet to use ping to do any kind of testing through my firewall. And there's a reason for this. By default on Cisco firewalls and on many firewalls, ICMP messages, which is what ping uses to test for connectivity, ICMP messages are automatically denied. Even when they're coming from trusted and going to untrusted, we don't have a mechanism to keep track of what's going on with that protocol by default. So if we take a look at our TCP state table, when we try to send an ICMP echo request, a ping message, when we try to add it to our state table, we have a hard time doing that because an ICMP echo request does not have a TCP header. As a matter of fact, it has no segment header. So there is no information from the transport layer to allow us to fill in the source port and destination port number. Plus, since we're not using TCP, there's no handshake, and we have no idea what the state is. So we don't add it to the table. The firewall may forward that message on, but when we try to get the reply back, it looks in the table, it's not there, and it gets denied and thrown away. Same thing is true with UDP. If we try to send a UDP message, like maybe try to make a TFTP connection to my outside web server, when I send that UDP message, I may have a source port and a destination port in this case because UDP is a transport layer protocol. However, UDP messages have no state. They don't keep track of that. They just send the message with a source and destination port. So we don't add that to the table either. When that UDP message comes back again from the internet, again, we don't have an entry in the table. We're just going to throw it away.